Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is the SketchUp tutorial series. So in this little short, quick tutorial, I'm going to show you my method of installing or cutting out doorways and windows. So there's several different ways of doing this. This is just my method, and I do this probably 40-50 times a week. So let's go ahead and get started on this. I have two of the exact same layouts already done here. This is just a basic. So we're just going to call this a bedroom, and this is a closet and bathroom, or this bedroom. It doesn't really matter. But we're going to put a window here, a door here, and a door here. Very simple process. So this first example, let's go ahead and get rid of her. You can come home later, but you need to go to work. Delete. Highlight, delete. Come on, go away. For some reason, she just doesn't want to leave today. There she goes. Okay. First example, we're going to push-pull these walls up. So come over to the push-pull tool right here. Going to go to the back one first. You see how it turns to a different color. I'm just going to raise it up 8 feet. And to copy all these, we're just going to highlight here and double click, and double click. Okay, we're going to put a door right here. And the door size that we're going to use is 80 inches by 36 inches. Zoom in a little bit here. So I'm going to come over to the tape measure, left click, come over to the wall corner right here, left click, drag it over 6 inches. And we're going to do the same thing for this other wall. Let's make 2 doors here. So 6, enter. There we go. Got 2 dotted lines right here. Grab the line tool, zoom in. Right there, you can see how it changes a little bit at the intersection. So go on left click, come up. You can know it's up because the line is now blue. We'll go 80, enter, correct. So we'll come this way, 36, enter, and back down. There we go. Now let's do this door also while we have the line tool out. Left click, come up here, 80, enter. You see it went crooked on me, so I'm going to do the undo. There we go. 80, enter. 36 this way, and 80 down. Okay, now we're going to get rid of these little spaces right here. Get the push-pull tool again. You can see how they change colors. Just go in here, left click in here, push-pull. Whoops, did something wrong there. Let's back that one up. Start over again. Left click, push-pull. There we go. There we go. Left click, push-pull. There we go. Now sometimes it does this on you. So I'm going to back that one up. Let's go back out again. There we go. Very easy process. 36 by 8 inch door opening. Let me go ahead and get rid of these 2 lines right here. Okay, now we're going to put a window in. And we're going to put a window in right here in the middle of this room. So to find the center of the room, so to find the center of the room, I'm just going to come over here, gotta grab a line tool, find the center right here, midpoint. I'm bringing a line this way, and then we're going to bring a line down 8 foot. There we go. So we're going to grab tape measure again, click right here, go up 36 inches, And you see how it's not on top of this wall here. There you go. So I'm going to undo that. Be a little bit more careful this time. There we go. 36, enter. And then we're going to go up 36 inches again for the height of the window. There we go. 36, enter. Okay. Let's make a window here. So I'm going to just, you can use a rectangle tool. I'm just going to use the line tool on this one. We'll start right here, come over 2.5 feet, 2.5 feet. We're going to go up 3 feet. We're going to go left 5 feet, down 36 inches. Then we're going to close it up. There we go. Let's go and get rid of all these lines right here. You see that's my reference point right here. Go ahead and get rid of all these lines. Don't need these. Don't need that one. Whoops. Hit the wrong one. This one. And this one. Get rid of that little dot too. And with the push-pull tool, we're going to get rid of that. Like we did earlier. See how it didn't work out quite right? So we're going to undo that one. Did it again. Sometimes it does that. It just wants to play around with you. Let's go ahead and get rid of this little line right here first. That one. Delete. Push pull. Now I know my walls are 5 inches, so I'm just going to push 5, enter. There we go. All the way through. Easy process on that little example. Another example is I'm going to get my tape measure tool. I'm going to come over 6 inches. 6, enter. Then I'm going to come over 36 inches again. Now you could either get the single line right here and draw a line like that, or you can come over and get the rectangle and just draw a rectangle right there. Either way, it doesn't really matter which way you do it. They both work just as good as the other. Let's get rid of these 2 lines. Going to get rid of this line. No, we're going to, yeah, let's get rid of this line. Okay. So that's going to be your doorway. Come over here to push pull. Going to raise this up 8 feet. And double click this one. Okay. Easy enough. Come over to the rectangle tool. I'm going to draw a rectangle from this point to this point. And then we're going to do the push pull. The walls are 96 inches. We want the door to be 80 inches, so we're going to come down 16 inches. Enter. Come back over here. Get rid of these lines. Don't need those anymore. Get them on this back side too. There we go. There's your door opening that you can add your door in or import a door from 3D Warehouse. Okay, so let's do the window here. Same size as this one. So we're going to take this wall and pull it up 8 feet. 8 feet. So we want this to be in the middle again. So to get the exact middle, I'm just going to go here, go ahead just like we did on the other example, and let's bring that down 8 feet. Nope. I did that wrong. Let's bring this down 3 feet. 36, enter. Okay. So we're going to get the line tool again. Here. 2.5 feet. $36. 5 feet. 36. And then we'll close it up. Get rid of this line on right here that we don't need anymore. Now if you want to do multiples of this, just highlight that, come over here, Control C, and we're going to Control C, there we go, just put it right there just for the time being. Put it wherever you need to put it. So let's do the push-pull again. And since I know my wall is 5 inches, I'm just going to push 5, enter. And for some reason I hit the wrong button. So let's go 5, enter. And this one 5, enter. There we go. There's some window cutouts. Very easy process. Both of them work just as fine as the other. It's your own personal preference, depending on what kind of drawing you're doing, or how fast you want to go, or just whatever you're most comfortable with. Appreciate it if you check out my other SketchUp tutorial series. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate you being with us today.